Let's talk about teaching high school students how to solder. When we meet at the library and we're soldering these computers together, of course, I don't expect them to have all the equipment. I provide that. I have 5 kits just like this. Students share them. So at the library, we might have 2 or 3 of these kits set up, as I have from 4 to 6 students building these computers. We have 5 building them this summer. The students can borrow these kits as well if they want to work with this stuff outside of our time at the library. So first of all, there's this silicone mat here that is nice. It protects the table from burns. Won't entirely protect it. It's resistant, not immune. And every student has a kit kind of like this. In fact, exactly like this. Plastic case, a little set of soldering safety and instructions of what good joints look like, a little index of everything that's in here. They get a fresh sponge, a solder sucker for pulling up solder, a pair of protective goggles, a little cutter for trimming off all the ends of resistors and LEDs and stuff, a pair of stickers that they can use on their own laptops, wherever they want to use them, a little component tray so they can pack up stuff that they're in the middle of afterwards. Just nothing in it to start, but as they build their computers, they can put up whatever they need in here. A fume extractor, because we work in the library and we don't want to stink up the place too bad. So every student has a little fume extractor. It's amazing how well these things work. The vapor from soldering goes in one side and nothing comes out the other. So nice little graphite carbon fiber thing in there. A little tip for cleaning their soldering iron. A little holder to hold their soldering iron off the table. Several different kinds of solder. A little solder wick. And for other consumables like a tin, I provide that. And then they get a soldering iron. And this is one of our nicer kits. We have a few of these. This is a little TS100 soldering iron. It heats up amazingly fast. It's got this awesome little digital control. Not all the soldering irons that we have for student use are this nice, but 3 of them are. 3 out of 5, that's not bad. And students get a quick intro to all the components of the kit, and then I teach them how to solder on a little disposable throwaway project, and then we get to work building their computer kits. It's a bit of a puzzle figuring out how all this stuff goes back in. But that is a Loud & Code soldering station for use at the library.